The International Day of the Sun is celebrated each year on June 21st from 2019, as this date coincides with the summer solstice, the longest day of the year. The Day of the Sun is commemorated to teach the importance and relationship between the sun and the life of human beings on planet Earth, with the aim of sensitizing the world population about the importance of the existence of the sun for our lives, as well as such as the increase in renewable energies in which the sun is present. Living in a sunny city can have a very positive impact on our life, can improve mood and mental health. Plus, exposure to sunlight improves overall health by helping to reduce blood pressure and is crucial in the production of vitamin D, improving bone health. It also improves brain function, eases mild depression, improves sleep quality, lessens Alzheimer symptoms, heals some skin disorders, boosts growth in children, enhances the immune system, and furthermore, reduces risk of certain cancers. More, it will reduce your electric bill when going solar using our solar kit solutions done under our integration coefficient IC model and helping to save the planet, always taking steps forward our main objective, sustainability. All energy is ultimately derived for the sun, and harvesting it directly through solar power seems to be the best way to transition to renewable energy. We need to drive the cost of getting solar energy down to where it's competitive for bulk power generation. Using our on-grid, in-grid and hybrid solar kits is one of the most important steps towards this goal. Our solar kits are already pre-assembled from factory with unified guarantee, and you will find all what you need in just one carton box. Then the installation procedures will not be as messy and costly as they are now. Do you need more energy to save? Then just buy more kits as you may need. But you can do it just when needed. For more information, please subscribe to our website.